Well, okay. When we deal with a money market hedge, well, here we go. I've put the question over to the right just so we've got some space. What I need are two columns because I want to visualize what's happening in 4 months and what is happening today. Now, the first thing that we want to understand here is looking at the information. What will we have in 4 months' time? Will we have an asset or a liability? Well, I'm hoping you're shouting at the screen that we have an asset because we're receiving money in 4 months. And given that we've received that money, what we can do is we can match it with a liability. What I mean by that is that we can borrow against the asset because we